This video provides information regarding warning symbols. The warning lights and audible alarm may indicate a system malfunction. Check the lights frequently and respond properly as soon as you see one go on. When multiple warning icons are shown on the instrument cluster, they will appear at first and then minimize. When minimized, they will be represented in the active warnings area of the display. A triangle represents a warning registered, and a diamond represents a check message. The ABS light illuminates during instrumentation self-test. Have the ABS system checked by an authorized dealer if the ABS warning light stays on for more than 3 seconds. The trailer ABS light illuminates to indicate a problem with the trailer ABS system. This should be checked by an authorized dealer as soon as possible. If the DEF warning light turns on due to DEF level, refill the DEF tank. Failure to refill may cause the engine to derate and limit vehicle speed. If the DEF warning light turns on due to system tampering, see your authorized Peterbilt dealer to have this repaired. The emissions malfunction indicator light illuminates when the emissions system requires attention. The vehicle can be safely driven but should be serviced as soon as possible. The check engine light illuminates when a non-emissions related problem exists, but the vehicle can still be safely driven. The vehicle should be serviced to correct the problem. The low coolant level warning light illuminates with an audible alarm indicating low coolant level. The vehicle must be serviced as soon as possible. The battery warning light indicates low battery voltage. The DPF warning light will appear when the DPF needs to be regenerated and also during the regeneration cycle. If the high exhaust system temperature warning light appears, do not park in an area of combustible vapors or materials. Allow adequate cooling time before approaching or touching any component of the exhaust system. The traction control light illuminates when the ATC is regulating wheel spin and turns off after the traction control event has ended. This is the hill hold light. This feature holds the vehicle while on a hill to allow the operator to release the service brakes and press the accelerator pedal. In addition to faults and warnings, the display will also create pop-up messages for driver awareness. The Stop Engine Immediately message, accompanied by a continuous warning sound, is a non-suppressible pop-up that is displayed to warn the operator to stop the engine immediately in order to prevent damage.